An indispensable part of history, the present-day Ibom Plaza replaced the former Independence Square and sits at the circumference where the British Jack was lowered after Nigeria gained independence. Built and inaugurated by former Governor Victor Atta, Ibom Plaza serves as the easiest tributary to different parts of the state capital, connecting commuters to Wellington Bassey Way, Oron, Ikorekpene, Nwaniba, and Aka roads. Home for various socio-economic activities, it is designed with a sitting arena and a giant screen, shopping mall, parking lots, service facilities, relaxation spots, restaurants, banks, beautifully paved walkways, overhead bridge, post office, worship center, and sporting facilities. An unmistakable character of the facility is a deafening disturbance from generators, adverts, and music from people who ply their various trades.
Buy your original memory card with antivirus, 2 gig, 15, 4 gig, 17.
For many, here is a lifesaver, as both retailers and artisans find a ready space to transact businesses as they sandwich through the area since the relocation of the Uyo main market. Some respondents acknowledged that the facility functioned optimally till the immediate past state administration in 2014 closed it down, even as they commended the Udomi Manuel administration, which reopened it for business. However, they are of the opinion that the current chaotic placement era that sees people spread their ways everywhere, including the walkways, came with the 2016 reopening. This, they say, has left the facility grossly underutilized, hence the plea on the authority to reorganize the plaza.
The police and Uyo are using this place as a settlement unit to their politicians. And that's the reason we see this place so cancelled like this.
So if there will be anything like the government will support us to find a get shop and stay inside the shop and leave the outside.
We have been enjoying the benevolence of this plaza through the decision of attack out to date.
See the plaza and everything okay for the plaza, no problem for the plaza, everywhere is sanitized.
People really come to buy it because the product is nice, they love it, they appreciate it.
The environment, everything is going well. There is peace, no trouble. As long as we call your repair for no problem, no problem.
It is observed that despite availability of sanitary facilities, some people still think government should do more and sometimes take to urinating in the open, despite the caveat on such unauthorized practice, while some asked that some facilities be fixed.
I do pass by and I heard that they don't have a urinary. So I think if there is no place, we could have these mobile ones. You know, I see something like that in Palm.
I'm concerned about this television that I'm going to store here for us to enjoy. And then we see that this television has been abandoned.
All these smart people, they come here, they gather. They're not supported, they live on quiet.
Public affairs commentators, analysts, and passers-by do not miss stopping by the books and newspaper stands to read and compare notes about contemporary issues.
Almost every time I visit the area, I must always come around here because this is where I can go through the news and see the ones that are interesting and the papers of the government.
While at the facility, there is always need to be watchful as the plaza plays host to different class of people, including the mentally defective.
Hello, studio AKBC channel 45. Yo, they give me visa. I want to block that visa. But me now, I don't listen for Akwa Ibom. I start listening for Akwa Ibom. I beg, I beg, help us, Allah help us, I beg.
Having conquered the gale of insecurity and untoward activities that hitherto held sway at Ibom Plaza through the round-the-clock security presence, the facility is still begging for electricity, potable water, and a health post.
An unmistakable architectural masterpiece that typifies Akwa Ibom's culture of industry and hospitality. Ibom Plaza is home to business, relaxation, and pleasure. Whenever you are in the state capital, find a way to be here. From Ibom Plaza, Samuel Ayara, AKBC News.